Look at over there in the corner.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, lovers.
See how that works? He's stunned. Can't say thank you, hardly.
Casey, what is that?
Hopper.
Oh my goodness, Case. Is that a remote control car he
Hey,
wants?
who's this
Radio?
who wanted? Who's this who wanted? V6 Turbo. That might be Aries.
That is? Oh, Evie, you are already. Where did you sleep?
Oh, lover.
Doesn't that work?
Oh, where's Casey's present? Oh, here it is. Ah!
Well, wait a minute. You can open that in a few minutes.
Hey there, Boo Boo.
Wait a minute.
Hey there, little Boo Boo.
Wait, come on, body.
There. All the way down. Here, Mom, I can turn it on.
Does that work?
Turn it on.
It's like a little...
Maybe it's like your other one's, Case, where there's a switch on the bottom of the car, too, maybe. Whoa. This one motors, doesn't it? Huh?
Oh, you're going to have to learn. Look, Doc, there was enough consensus. Dear Molly, please remind Mommy to take care of me.
Do you know how to do reverse, Case? I think you push the finger forward to make it reverse.
And back, catch that thing and put it off. Dude, that was
Isn't that amazing, Case? Lover, what are you doing over there, Molly?
We can't figure out how this works. Here.
I thought Tim would be able to put it in. Put down.
Looks like Aaron.
That's why she screams.
Oh, she's...
It's a brat baby, isn't it?
What's this? It just says to Aaron from Santa. This is your baby.
It's a big ass fox. Hey.
How's that babies? Hey, how's that Boo Boo babies?
He didn't bring him on your trip football.
What, Case?
He didn't bring him on your trip football.
He didn't?
No. How come last time we got more toys than this year?
I don't know. Maybe there's more than you think, huh? Do you think?
I think he wrapped him in presents.
Could be.
I can go faster than you. Did you get a case? Did I have one present? Here's Dad.
Hi, babies. Hi, baby Aaron.
Boy, it was real foggy, Doug. We were in Bell. And I just got up.
Look here,
Aaron got up
Aaron.
and came running downstairs. And we saw this.
Well, it must have been Rudolph going in
Well,
through
look,
the fog.
and we forgot to leave
Look
the
at her eyes.
So I remember, Casey? So I left that tree. Look, Papa. There's a half of eaten. He ate. I put 5 cookies out, and I put a big piece of cheese. Thank you, Casey, Molly, and Aaron. Me and the Christmas mouse were hungry. Love Santa Claus. He did come. Isn't that something? There really is a Christmas mouse case.
Oh, that's mine. No, you gifted it to me. Oh, here we go.
That's from Molly.
Aaron doesn't like it.
Case.
Uh-oh. Hey there, uh-oh.
Is this for me?
How are you, uh-oh? Hi there, uh-oh.
It's to Casey.
If you want to get down, baby. Do you want get down?
Well, looks pretty happy to me, Gal.
Hey, why are you
Come on, come baby.
Mom, please.
And it's neck. It's here. Oh, that's not that baby. One little curl.
Hey there. Hey there, Boo Boo. Yubadoo. Ewanie.
Look at Papa.
Hi,
You
Ewanie.
like that Barbie?
Wanna
Brother got
open
you?
Aaron's present?
Why you open one?
I'm trying to find all mine. Because yours is to Aaron. Who's this?
Casey.
Whoa.
Come on.
There's one for Aaron.
That one's for you.
Oh, here. Okay, baby. Everything is.
You're sweet, Casey.
Here.
What?
That was nice of you.
Here. You open this one? Baby, open.
It's from Mandy.
Open, open.
And
Go ahead, open the present.
what's that say?
Oh, this.
Put it in pie set. Oh, you're gonna make me pies and Papa too?
What do you have, Molly?
Excuse me.
Oh, goodness, lover.
Oh.
Will you be able to do that in your kitchen?
Cookie thing? Oh, bubble bath.
Oh.
Oh, look.
What's
I
this?
am a puppy. I am a puppy. Look here.
Molly.
Come on. Look at this. My name is Bruno. Isn't that good?
Look what that is. 2 cases in Santa.
Is,
Boy.
is that the Casey?
Oh,
Yeah.
I got this again.
A pocket rocker?
Oh, lover, is that a tape?
Yeah, that tape to you.
What?
Basketball!
You lost it.
Did he get it for you,
Is
Case?
that
Dad, lick it.
Oh, lover, isn't that
it?
great,
Is that the turbo
honey?
football? He knew.
Ah, Case, you were worried you didn't get it, weren't you?
Put on with your stuff now.
Better watch out, guy. You don't have many teeth to spare.
Yeah. Pull it out. Huh?
Well, you didn't get your front teeth for Christmas.
Well, he hasn't been
Look
doing
at
it
that.
yet, Mama.
Oh, here, honey, you got a ball.
Mom,
Do you ball?
Dad, look at here. There's no front on this. Look at.
Oh.
Oh, hand is a full.
Hey there, Bobo.
You want to get down and look at presents?
You know what? God, this is the lock. Because 49 is just.
Open it up. 16. You know whose number that is? Joe
Yes, Joe Montana.
Wow.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's even got a hood on it.
Oh, isn't
that's
that
gonna be
nice?
warm.
Oh, that's going to be a nice place. Oh, I should see you nice and warm.
See, I think he didn't know what to her teeth made, so he might have given you 2 big teeth.
Really, guy?
Crayon!
Molly, why don't you open something, honey?
Crayon!
Go ahead, sweetie.
Look at crayon. Another present case.
Hey, wait a minute. Let Molly open some case.
Oh, Lincoln, what's this for?
Oh, my.
What is this? Mine. Game Boy.
That's a Casey's present, I
say on
think.
it,
What's it say?
Game Boy.
What's it say, Case? On there?
Game Boy.
Yeah, but on the card.
Oh. Dear Casey, I knew you really wanted Game Boy. Look at this.
Oh.
Ah, Case.
Look at that, huh?
What are you doing down there, Pee-wee? Pee-wee?
Still loves her tree the best.
Ah, hi, Pee-wee.
Still loves his tree the best.
Hi, little Pee-wee. Hi, little Pee-wee.
Oh, that's, I don't know if it's, what do you do, honey?
And then there's earphones for you.
Do you know how to put them in?
Like, there's things around.
Here, why don't you bring it over here? I'll see if I can figure it out for you quick, Case.
Okay, I think I know how it works.
Okay,
now.
buddy. You want to listen to it, or are you gonna play later?
I'm gonna play later.
Oh, that's awesome. What you doing there, lover?
Present.
You having a little cookie, honey?
He's opening one of these, so there'll be a lot left for you. That's wonderful. Let me see. Come here, Molly. This is for you, Molly. This is.
Micro machines!
Oh.
Color changers!
Here, Molly. These are yours.
Hey there.
Yeah!
Molly, those two.
Hey there, boo.
Molly, those two are yours.
That's around.
Come over here, baby.
What you got there, Molly?
Daddy, a Game Boy game!
Oh, great, Case.
Casey got a green one.
Great, Casey. What'd you get, lover?
What is that?
A bubble bath.
Oh, honey.
This and this bubble bath.
Oh, nice.
So we can use this for today.
Oh, yeah. I'll have a bubble bath today. She puts all her things.
Hey, you there. What are you doing there? What you doing over there?
Oh, wait, a dance flower. A dance flower.
What do you do with that?
Let's take it out and show you.
Oh,
Oh, I got this.
I wonder what, let me see what kind of battery, we gotta have music, I think, for it to work.
So when you sing songs to her or you put a radio in there, it goes like
Does it?
turn off and on.
Here, let me see, honey, we gotta put battery probably in it.
What you doing over here just eating a tootie? Huh? Hey, Ewany.
Casey got a green one.
What you doing just eating a tootie?
Oh man, you know that green was my favorite ice cream.
Sam, that's your chocolate chip mint, that's right.
Hi there, honey.
He knows lots of things.
It smells like it. It smells kind of like it.
Well, what are you doing up there?
That's a little
Boo boo.
purse that she can strap around her
What are you
waist.
doing up there? Why aren't you down here with everybody else, Boo Boo?
You're stocking.
Huh?
You might just.
Why aren't you down here with everybody else, Boo Boo?
Oh, it's like a Nerfy ball. And you wanted a baseball, didn't you, Kate?
Yeah.
Hey there.
Why don't you move some of your toys away so that
That is a nice one.
For me.
is that for you, Molly? That's a big present, Molly.
Hey, you.
What's
What's going on up there?
Who got this green hat over here? Casey.
This is mine. To Casey from mom.
Well,